Greetings everyone, Sifu Rob Campbell, back again, 5th degree black belt Kung Fu Sansu. Today I'm here with Sifu Emery Miller, and we got a good exercise for you guys today. This is called the Asu arm drill. Asu just translates to long arm, so this is a good long arm drill. We were talking about stances, we were talking about windmills. This is going to help us kind of put it together a little more today. So how we do this is we're going to step out to our full horse stance. Now, we're going to bring both of our hands out. In Kung Fu Sansu, we're always doing circular motions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle my hands over in a clockwise motion, going all the way over my head, and down. Now the first strike out of this is going to be an uppercut. So I'm going to transition my stance to a left half horse stance. I'm striking up. I'm going to go counterclockwise with my windmills now. Now notice, this other hand is way back. I want there to be counterbalance. So this hand goes up, this hand goes down, this hand comes up. So from here I'm going to transition. Going counterclockwise, I'm dropping my hands, going over my head, shifting to a right half horse stance. 2 is up. Now 3 is going to be a middle strike like I'm doing a roundhouse punch. Dropping my hands, circling, 3 is in the middle. Now transitioning again, 4 is in the middle, double windmill. Now 5, I'm going to strike down low, double windmill, 5, and double windmill, 6. So whenever you get used to doing this, you want to practice doing this, but without stopping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So very good. Thank you, everybody. Kung Fu tip of the month.